been about 20 minutes. So, my arm hurts. Okay, bye. Hey guys. Oh my gosh, 2 weeks in a row and we're in my kitchen again. Don't know why I turned into British or whatever accent that is. Okay, yes, we're back in my kitchen, and yes, it's to make whipped coffee because everyone and their mothers are making it. And thinking of my mother would love this, and I'm sure she's seen it, but you know, she needs to do this. She'd be all up in this. I had none of the ingredients except for water and milk, so I ended up doing Target Drive Up, which is bomb, and I did it today and yesterday. I'm sure the person that brought it out to me and like packed it and stuff was like, this bish really making that whipped coffee from TikTok. I hope she's okay. I'm not okay. So I got this and this. I did Truvia and not sugar because 2 tablespoons is a lot of sugar. So I was like, I hope that doesn't change the taste. I'm assuming it won't, but, and then I just got whatever coffee, instant coffee. So let's do this. Oh, also my boss made me masks. Look at that. Look at that. Harry Potter. Okay, what do I need? So the water has to be hot. So 2 tablespoons hot water, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. Is it hot? Oh, okay. It's hot. It's hot. Let's cook. 2 tablespoons instant coffee. I just picked this because this was available at my Target for Drive Up. Hi, Phoebe. Phoebe, say hi. Oh, she's not sure about the masks. No, Mama's cooking. No, Mama's cooking. Just stay over there. No, stay. Stay. I have hot water. It's hot. It's hot. No, don't drink the hot water. Okay, just hang out, okay? How do I open this? Oh, I just pushed my fingers through it. That works, sure. So here's my Tibble. Whoa. I don't know if I've ever used instant coffee other than like the little packs, so this is so weird. Okay, so 2. It feels funny. It's very coarse. Oh, she's just, oh my God, I have to show you what she looks like right now. She's just hanging out in the tea and coffee corner. Oh my God, I sounded like Carol Baskin. Hey, all you cats and kittens out there. We're just hanging out in the corner in the kitchen with the Mew Mew coffee and the Mew Mew tea. Okay, and now 2 sugars. And of course, these are brand new, so I have to freaking open it, which I'm not really good at. Oh, jeez. I shouldn't be in here doing stuff. 2 tables. Okay, so now my hot water, not going to touch it again. This is what it looks like. I can already like kind of hear it sizzling, so it's probably, it needs to be hot to activate the coffee, I'm assuming. So let's mix it. But I have one of these, so I hope it will speed up that process. Kind of in between a hand mixer and a whisk. I mean, I guess I think it would go along faster, so we will see. Let's do it. It's kind of, this is a horrible angle. Okay, I'm mixing. Oh, but it's so shallow, it's like hard. Okay, here we go. Oh, she's a mixin'. Okay, it's getting kind of frothy. Oh my gosh, it sprayed everywhere. Oh my gosh, this is awful. Guys, this is a train wreck. It's been like a long time. Not a long time, it's been like 10 minutes. And my little hand thing, this little thing, it's like not, because it's pretty thick. Like it's pretty thick. And my mixer is just not, like, it's barely going. So I don't know if I should stick with this for a while, or I was thinking about breaking out my whisk. But I'll keep playing with it. I might whisk it. We'll see. Okay, I'll check back in. Okay, we are getting there. The whisk is good. See, we're getting whippy. So I think that thing really helped for the beginning, because it's just like, starts out as nothing, and now this is really helping with the whipping. So it's been about 20 minutes. So my arm hurts. Okay, bye. Okay, so I think we're good because it's pretty whippy. I mean, like, see, look at that. Like, it's kind of, yeah, okay. That little hand spinner thing did not take me all the way like I thought it would. Like, it was so thick, it was slowing it down. So, buddy, thank you for, you know, getting me through the first half, but you know, I needed Mr. Whiskey to come out. And Mr. Whiskey? Oh, I don't have any whiskey anymore. I drank all of it. Well, Mr. Whisk had to come out and help. And yeah. Yep. Okay. I hope that's not what it's gonna taste like with the milk. That was really... Let's just try it. Phoebe, I'm doing very important stuff. Mommy's doing very important stuff right now. Cat removal again. My milk of choice, again, I think in my last video I said I like the almond milk. So I have my glass. I don't know where to put this. Okay, let me grab a spoon. This is my view when I look up right now. Beep, she trying to get my popcorn. So let's just put it in there. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Plop, cool. Mine's a little darker than I've seen. But maybe it's because like the coffee I used or something. Oh, it's so cool. I hate wasting, so this kills me right here. I don't know how people make it look pretty because this is, you know, pretty uncontrollable. But you know what? We're not on TikTok. We're on YouTube, and it's extremely real on here sometimes. Let me try to make it pretty, like, bloop, bloop, bloop. Oh, I'm just making it less whipped looking. Okay. Well, I thought it would be better. Okay, so I decided to come into my room to try it. So this is what it looks like. So pretty much just what it looks like. Mine, for some reason, I think looks darker, but I don't know. So you're kind of supposed to mix it in, because, you know, I tried it a couple times without the milk and it was rough. Okay, I need to mix it more. All I tasted was milk. Mix. Or what if I suck up the milk and put it on top? Okay, ready? This is disgusting, but I'm gonna do it. So now it's kind of like a little macchiato type thing. So let me, okay. Huh. Okay. That's good. That's good. I brought my straw up a little bit so I can get more of the whip, but it's really good. My sugar, maybe this is a downfall of using not real sugar. It's still a little grainy, like my sugar didn't dissolve or get mixed in all the way, but it doesn't make it horrible. It's just, you know, that maybe, like, is that a thing about, like, cause I use Truvia, so I think that's from stevia, or maybe is Truvia the one that's completely fake? I don't know. So you can hear the sugar at the bottom. So you can hear it kind of grainy, but maybe that's a downfall to not using real sugar. And the coffee is a little strong tasting, but not bad. Like, I'm definitely drinking this whole thing, and it's, hi Phoebe. No, she wants to go to the window. Oh, okay, hold on camera, hold on. That's Phoebe's butt. She trying to squeeze through. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna drink this whole thing. It's 7 o'clock at night, so that's good. I'm definitely gonna pop some tonins tonight. Yeah, I thought this was actually, it's kind of fun. This is fun. Like maybe on a Saturday or a Sunday, you know, it's like a weekend and I want to make myself something a little bit more special because I'm too scared to go to like Starbucks and Caribou right now. And I just make myself this. That also kind of makes me want to look up other coffee hacks, like, you know, something not too sugary, because I really, because when I do get coffee from places, I get either the light versions or, you know, just not, like, I don't get like grande frappes, you know what I mean? Like, I just, you know, I try to, unless it's something special, unless it's my birthday, then I'm getting a full, like, grande white mocha macchiato, extra caramel drizzle, some kind of stuff like that. That's what I'm getting. But yeah, this was fun. I enjoyed this. But let me know if you've done it and if you have the same problem. Speed Demon, I'm trying to talk about coffee. Let me know if you've done this and you've had that problem with the sugar, and if you didn't, and if you had, you know, real sugar, and what was, you know, if that was the same. But see, I'm like eating, I'm like chewing it. I'm chewing the sugar. But you know what, that's okay, because it's still good. So wow, I can't believe 2 weeks in a row in my kitchen. Who am I? Let me know if there's something else you want me to do in the kitchen, or maybe there's gonna be another viral TikTok food thing that I can do in there. But let me know, and if you have a request, just make sure it's something that I can get up in the Target drive up. And I will see you next week. I hope everyone's safe. Bye. Oh, I almost forgot my outro. I think I forgot it last week too. Oh my god, who am I? New year, new me. New year, new hacking, coronavirus. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.